We're basically on the Everglades. Whoa there, Ricky Bobby.
No! Got a little gas in the morning. Got some shoes. Woo! Alrighty. Locked and loaded. Day 3. So today we are going to be hitting the flats again, going out in the islands.
We're actually up early.
We're actually up early. High tide's what? At what? 9:30. I believe it's around 9:30 today. So set up good this morning for a nice tide by the time we get out there. Definitely been slaying, but I mean I haven't hit a big fish yet, and that's getting at me.
Oh, good. You did a lot of fishing.
Really nice out. The tide's gonna be kind of set up perfect today. It was set up really good yesterday as well, but we didn't get up early. We decided to go peacock fishing, which was totally worth it. Taylor's a chief for that one. Yeah, she is. And all of her friends were kind of telling us about Chukalowski in Everglades City, so we're gonna check it out today. They said it was amazing sight fishing for some reds and tarpon and snook. So. Gorgeous out here. Wow. Beautiful morning. Let's go. Dude, this is f***ing crazy. Woo! I think I rigged them both upside down accidentally. That might be the secret sauce. Over there. Yeah, but that mangrove line's pretty good.
Get him, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Watch out.
You're good. Keep it coming.
Oh. Sight fished. He's gonna run. Oh.
No, that's perfect.
Oh. Might need to...
Hey, you want to jump on it?
I think we're good. Still want him to get me around one of these points.
That a boy, man.
Whew.
Boy. Good stuff. Good stuff.
Watch out. I don't even think he fully knows he's hooked. Broke him.
No!
He wrapped me around the gills.
Oh, that was such a nice one.
Damn.
Oh, heartbreaking stuff. Right
Yep,
there.
that wasn't even the main line, dude. Damn. Literally got me right around the gills. Whoa, that was 2 casts in.
Yep.
Whew, I'm shaking.
Yeah.
That eat was crazy.
Alright, yo. Definitely gonna leave this one on.
Wow. Wow. It's probably a nice little 20-pound tarpon. All right, so update. Part 2 over here of unexpected fish. Just ran into another school of black drum like we did last night. Same exact thing. They don't want to eat any lures we're throwing at them, and we got them covered in Procure gel. You could still see them over there. I don't know if you'd see it on the GoPro. All those wakes out there are a bunch of big black drum. We're seeing them just swimming right on top. We're throwing everything at them and they're not touching anything we have. So we got Nate back in the mangroves, risking it for the team, trying to find some crabs that we could throw at them. We get some fiddlers. I think they'll definitely eat.
Some tree crabs to see if we can get some black drum going.
Let's go, a little black drum action.
Is that cool with you? Yeah, I got it.
Yes, sir, Nate. Yes, sir. I'm on your line. Drop your rod tip all the way real quick.
Around it.
Oh, sketchy business.
He doesn't even know he's hooked yet.
Good. You're
Get it
off.
back in there. Big one.
Oh, you got a nice one.
It's a nice one. He doesn't even know he's hooked.
I'm gonna put on this other half. I'm gonna put on the other half.
Big boys. Big boy. Ooh-wee.
Dude, don't let him pop you. That was awesome. Grab the crabs and boom. Look at that double up. Oh my god.
He's like 35.
Yeah, yeah. Oh my god. I'm gonna let you fight this one. We're gonna re-find that school. Big ugly. At least we got redemption from last night.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
Towing the boat.
Oh my god. That's a little dino right there.
Dinosaur action. That's a fatty.
That is a fatty. Woo. Seeing tails like this all morning. And finally get this big guy. Woo.
Wow.
Insane. Insane.
Hopefully we can find this school again, pluck another one off. Wow.
Big boy.
Hell yeah, dude. We weren't touching a single artificial we're throwing. I mean,
tied like 4 times.
that's casual black drum, but I mean, we threw a crab in there and within literal seconds, we got an eat.
How's a Julie
He's ready for us. Hey, let's get some more fish.
You.
Nate hooked up onto a fatty, landed her, and the school just kind of took off. Usually black drum hang around a bit, but been looking for this school for about 10 minutes and not really seeing them. So I think we're gonna head back to the game plan of some tarpon and some snook, some redfish in the backwaters. We're gonna get deep in this creek today. Just hit a little pit stop. That was pretty fun.
About some more fish. Up close and personal with them gators.
Oh. Dude, that's a cubera. That's a snapper.
Right up on the tree, dude.
That looked like a snapper. The side of him looked red. Get him.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
The little Snook? He did me, dude. My drag is way too loose. Holy hell. He's a sick little guy, though. Not a bad little guy.
A little something for you today.
Yeah, a little something.
A little targeted species for you today.
Slow retrieve right underneath the tree.
Dude, I swear that looked not a cubera. I was mistaken. It looked like a snapper. How red the fish was. I mean, it looked like really fat too, like top to bottom.
Nothing like throwing it right back in where you just put, or where you just got popped.
I know, and actually getting it. Oh yeah.
Holy sh**. Stop the motor. Cast behind. Cast.
Hey, we just gotta keep. Through me. That was not the one that ate you, bro. That definitely was the one that ate you. Was way bigger.
Oh my god. Watch it, Sean, move it. I am. It's off. You watch it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
It's exciting back here.
Nice little blow up. These little guys do work. Little dinks, but they're fun. Don't jump in the boat. Oh sh! There's a big loss. Oh fuck! Atta boy! Ew! How are you feeling about this creek now?
Oh. Didn't have the cameras rolling. We was just talking complete trash about this creek. I was like, dude, the water's just too high.
I'm gonna get blown up by a fatty.
Just got blown up by a nice snook. Whew. Got 2 hooks in this dude.
came all the way out of the water.
Hey, don't
for
listen
that.
to me about spots.
Yeah, I was about to say, we're going in my spots.
Nice snook. Probably one of the better snooks of the trip so far.
Oh yeah.
Don't go on.
That's a slot.
It's a slot.
Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. That's a good one. Let's see real quick. That's a nice one, dude. Whoa. Woo.
That's
Oh yeah. That's what we wanted.
Would you say is
30.
going back in here? A lot of fresh water back here, so we want to make sure to give this guy as much oxygen as you can without getting bit by a gator. I haven't really seen any back here, but
Woo!
nice.
Woo! Yeah, I like that.
So thank you, Everglades. Thank you everybody for watching. Our first trip went pretty successful for, we didn't even really do too much research before we came. I mean,
Google Maps.
we Google mapped a couple things, kind of, picked a plan kind of what we were gonna do. I mean, we learned a ton from this trip and we caught a bunch of fish. We had a blast. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please give us a little subscribe and like.
Yeah, we got a lot more coming.
Got a lot more coming, so.
You? Oh, good, good. You did a lot of fishing?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty fun down here.